Korean crisis is due to North Korea's persistent and long-standing attempts to acquire missile and nuclear deterrence. It regards these two arsenals of weapons of mass destruction as deterrent and guarantees for the survival of the regime, which it believes is threatened by the United States and its allies in South Korea, Japan, and elsewhere. It has single-mindedly pursued these two options and has succeeded to a large and impressive extent, given its isolation and its relatively technological backwardness. It actually signed NPT, Non-Proliferation Treaty, in 1985, but it gave up or opted out of NPT in 2003, protesting at intrusive nature of nuclear inspections. Similarly, it has pursued missile technology and has made impressive advances to reach an ICBM, Intercontinental Ballistic Missile launch capability, that it claims could reach the continental United States. It has so far conducted 6 nuclear tests beginning 2006 October till now, and last one it claimed to have been a hydrogen bomb. It has repeatedly declared itself as a nuclear power and has threatened to use these weapons. There are unconfirmed reports with widespread currency that North Korea has been selling its missiles and missile technology as well as nuclear technology with its partners such as Pakistan, Libya, Syria, Iran, and Yemen. It has also been alleged that during 1976, when Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto of Pakistan visited North Korea, an agreement was reached to exchange technology, and Pakistan tried to buy missile technology from North Korea. Subsequently, in 1990s, PM Benazir Bhutto, the daughter of previous Prime Minister Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, also visited North Korea and reportedly agreed to exchange nuclear uranium enrichment technology with missile technology from North Korea. These allegations, by their own nature, have not been confirmed, but they have been receiving wide circulations off and on. In the current scenario, United States has over the past 3 decades tried to persuade North Korea to give up its missile and nuclear weapons in return for United States guarantees for safety and against the regime change in that country, and it has also offered even economic assistance as well as civilian nuclear power technology to replace the nuclear technology it has developed surreptitiously. These negotiations have been going on for past 20 years or so, but they have failed to make any final conclusive impact. North Korea and United States have agreed but disagreed later on, and this has gone on through 2 summit talks in Singapore in 2018 July and in February 2019 in Hanoi. These were the first ever contacts between presidents of the 2 countries, in the United States and North Korea, over past 70 years since the Korean War. There have been 3 separate summits between North Korea and South Korean presidents. However, the gaps remain. President Trump has adopted a slightly more deal-making strategy with the North Korean leader Kim Jong-un, but this has proved problematic due to verification and synchronization of steps to disarm North Korea vis-a-vis the economic and security assistance from United States. The prognosis is that North Korea is unlikely to give its missile and nuclear options so easily unless it has ironclad guarantees, as it sees it, against invasion and regime change. And it sees that to be sufficiently lucrative for its economic and socio-economic benefit. Thank you.